Good day, everyone. We are Group 9, and before anything else, I'm Chris Centeno, and I am the representative of this group, to be followed by my members.
I am Melcaela Jasmine G. Aquino.
Cardin Anton A. Jazul.
I'm Luis Lawrence Panoy.
I'm Jasmine Yale Villareal.
And we are Group 9. This video presentation will determine the step-by-step guide, methods, and other necessities necessary to conduct the research properly. The researchers will explain and enumerate our Chapter 1 and 2 for title Defense.
Our research title is Exploring Grade 11's Perspective on Inflation and its Effects on Meeting Academic-Related Financial Requirements, a case study at St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor. We are conducting this study because it is relevant and useful for everyone. Also, this study focused on the grade 11 student struggling with money and other problems that are connected with inflation. Our research study will determine the various perspectives and experiences of the student to know their opinion and idea about the study. In line with this study, it is connected with several economic development and growth issues.
This table of contents shows a guide for this PowerPoint presentation.
Inflation is a real-world economic phenomenon that affects individuals and families. Understanding how it impacts students' ability to meet academic expenses provides valuable insights into their financial challenges by studying students' perspective. We can identify specific challenges they face due to inflation. This knowledge can be used to develop targeted support programs or policies, potentially improving their academic experience. In summary, our research is exciting and important because it addresses real-world challenges faced by students, has the potential to bring about positive changes in educational policies, and contributes to a deeper understanding of the complex interplay between inflation and academic pursuits. Additionally, the conflict in the study is students who are capable of buying such things and paying their own bills, tuition, food, and necessities. Also, the inflation rate is moving every day and it determines the increasing and decreasing levels. The purpose of this study is to determine the various experiences of grade 11 students. It is important that you know the problem and solution to that particular event. In this specific topic, it talks about the problem of the environment, which is relatable, relevant, and current issue in the country.
Research question. These five these five question you these five question help you to study the flow how to conduct this research. Also, this research are designed to interview the responding regarding the topic. This will help you to plan for your research, but you may also encounter any potential conflicts. These question are the factors that define the best way to fulfill this study. We'll define the investigate and provide a guide for conducting any interview and the research project itself. In order to explore and make an effective study, you need to have question for planning and guide the whole research project. Additionally, it expressed the specific main problem of the study and constantly pointing to a certain point. It it highlights the main object when answering this set of questions.
Objectives. The five main objective helps the whole research project when it comes to finding a solution to a particular question or problem. Research objectives are the answer or response to the particular questions. It gives direction to the method that need to be followed in the research study, allowing them to guide the information to be collected via interview. Also, organize the study into clear Clearly define parts and focus on the research topic. It describes the variable in the research study and will achieve or aim the specific goal of this study.
Methodology. A qualitative design. A case study discusses the comprehension and justification of complex situations. This procedure includes an explanation and a thorough investigation. Sampling method. Random sampling is the method of selecting grade 11 students from the entire population at St. Francis of Assisi College in a way that ensures every student has an equal chance of being chosen. Data collection. Research interviews provide various advantages, so careful structure and execution of the entire procedure are necessary to acquire detailed information from the participants. This research study has a specific method in order to conduct this exploration. A research design is a case study that discusses the comprehension and justification of complex situations. Also, a case study is an individual interview and investigation about their personal experience. This research study is suitable because we are trying to connect with students who have experience with financial requirements and inflation. In this study, we are using interviews to collect their various perspectives. Interviews or face-to-face will help you explain, better understand, and explore some opinions and share their experiences. Our sampling for this study is random because we want to know the various perspectives in students and different strands and to be aware of individual student situations. It allows for unbiased data collection, which lets studies arrive at unbiased conclusions. This method will help researchers have a successful research study. Also, this signifies the processes of conducting qualitative research. This method makes it easier to do the overall research project because of this procedure.
Data analysis. In vivo coding is a qualitative research technique that focuses on the participant's actual spoken word. It is frequently applied when analyzing focus group, interview transcript, or other types of qualitative data when the language and jargon used by the participant are of particular interest. The benefit of using in vivo coding is to fully understand their thoughts and feelings and really understand what people mean. It is like using simple and direct language to learn exactly what others are thinking and feeling, making the research more accurate and trustworthy. In vivo coding is a qualitative data analysis. It is used in fields like sociology, anthropology, and qualitative psychology. Unlike other data analysis methods, in vivo coding involves analyzing qualitative data such as interview or observation by directly using participants' own words or phrases as codes. This data analysis will help the researchers process and to explain this. Data analysis play a crucial role in supporting research questions by helping researchers make sense of data they have collected. Also, data analysis transform raw data into meaningful insight enable researcher to answer this research question with confidence and supporting the validity and reliability of their findings. In order to have a good quality research, we need to follow the step and method to conduct a study. Make sure that you know the process and guidelines in conducting the research.
In order to have a successful research study, it needs to have respondents within the school and only grade 11 students who are allowed to give their opinions and experiences about the topic. In this research, our target respondents are grade 11 students from different strands, and we need to have a maximum of 20 participants. We choose grade 11 students in different strands because of our sampling, which is random. In this random sampling, we need to gather and collect 20 experiences from various perspectives of students to have a non-biased opinion and facts about the study. Students are more relevant and capable of answering these questions because they have experienced them. Moreover, it is important that students are the respondents and is only on school premises because you'll know the limitations and needs of the study. Also, the beneficiaries of this study are students and their parents who don't have enough money to give. Lastly, students are involved with this kind of issue and it is relevant to those families that have a slow budget for their loved ones.
That's all for today. Have a wonderful day. We are Group 9, and that will be our title defense.